Hi, boys and girls. Okay, today in math, we are talking about location words or direction words. And that means words that help us go places and find things. Yeah, they're pretty important. You're going to be using and hearing direction words and location words your whole life. Yeah. When someone gives you a direction and says, hey, I need you to go take this over there. Go put it on the left side of the table. Go put this on the right side. Go put this under. This needs to go above. This needs to go below. Those are directional words. And we've talked about directional words before. Do you remember? Yeah, we have. Okay. And you know in pre-K, we go back and we talk about it again. That's what we do in pre-K. We talk about it, we go to something else, and then we come back. That's what we do. Okay, so now I have a really fun song. Now you've probably heard it. Now I can't really stand up and do the whole thing because you're not gonna be able to see me, and so I'm gonna sit down and do it, okay? But we're gonna do the hokey pokey, okay? So here we go. Put your left hand in, you take your left hand out, you put your left hand in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your right hand in, you take your right hand out, you put your right hand in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your left arm in, you take your left arm out, you put your left arm in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your right arm in, you take your right arm out, you put your right arm in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your left side in, you take your left side out, you put your left side in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your right side in, you take your right side out, you put your right side in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Okay, so if you kind of picked up, now I would go on and do the left leg and then the right leg, the left foot and the right foot, the left ear and then the right ear, the left eye and then the right eye. I would do all those things, the left shoulder, the right shoulder, the left elbow and the right elbow. We would do everything if we were in the classroom together. Yeah. So families, this would be a good time. You can pause it and go through all those things, or you can do a little bit now and do some more later. Do it a couple more times today. This is just a fun way for us to kind of start thinking about left and right. Left and right. Can you raise your left hand? It's the one on this side. Families, help them, help them, help them. Okay, put your left hand down. Now raise your right hand. Now put it down. Good job. Okay, so we have a left and a right on our body, and when we're putting things on something, there's a left and a right everywhere. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So we're going to be using the shapes that you have in that little baggie, okay? And what we're going to do today, families, you're going to get a piece of paper. It can be any kind of paper, okay? And you just draw a line across the middle and kind of make it look like this, okay? And on one side, the one that's the left, you're going to write left, L-E-F-T. And on the other side, you're going to write right. Okay? Very good. Okay. So you can stop and do this in a little bit, but I'm just showing you what we're going to practice, what you're going to be doing at home. Now, you can use anything. You can use little toys. You can use sticky notes. You can use the good old favorite Q-tips, whatever you want to use, okay? But you're gonna practice putting things on the left and the right, okay? You say, okay, put the Q-tip on the left side. There you go. Now put the little basketball or whatever the other thing is on the right side. Good job. Now take them off. Now, and then you can call out something else. Put the basketball on the left side. Now put the Q-tip on the right side. Okay. Then you can practice without the lines. Yeah, and your family's going to ask you, would you please put a marker on the left side? Now put a Q-tip on the right side. Aha. Did you do it correctly? I hope so. So this is something I want you to do today about 6 different times. Yeah, you can call out different things. You can say, okay, make a circle on the left side. But if we don't really want to draw on it, we want to just put things on it. That way we can keep reusing the paper, okay? So you can use little stuffed animals. You can use crayons and put one on the left and then one on the right. And practicing. And the fun thing, if it's a pretty day outside, I don't know if it's supposed to rain or not, is to draw some lines outside with some chalk and say, okay, hop on the left side in the box 3 times. Now go to the right side and turn in a circle 3 times. So when you can get your whole body involved and you can do that, that's really fun. That'll really help it to stick up here, okay? So that's our activity for today to help you learn. Now, our homework is this page. It says, what's different? And you're gonna notice little animals. And so you have to pick which one is not the same. And circle the picture that is different. Now you can color all the pictures. That's a good practice for fine motor. But then I want you to find the one that's different and circle it. Okay? Yeah. Now don't forget, we have to do our counting 3 times a day, don't we? We have to, okay? So let's do some counting together. We'll do it one time. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You did it. Good job. Okay, guys, go make it a great day and have fun learning about left and right. And don't forget, we have small group. Okay, make it a good day. Bye, guys.